In this video, I am giving information about an interesting carnivorous plant, means plants that eat insects, or yeah, commonly called sometimes insectivorous plants. I will give information about the Drosera peltata, and its distribution, description, and important uses. First, you must know what are the carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants simply are the plants that derive some or most of their nutrients from trapping and consuming animals, means small mammals and protozoans. They especially eat insects, means arthropods mainly. And why they eat insect, you must know, as they still generate all of their energy from the photosynthesis, but they eat insects as they because they grow in a waterlogged and logged areas and sunny places where the soil is thin and poor in nutrients, especially nitrogen, and they can be found in all the continents except the Antarctica and many Pacific islands. And Drosera peltata, commonly called the seed sundew or a pale sundew, means they are light pale in color, not fully green, but looks pale in texture, pale in color. So it is called pale sundew, most commonly. And Drosera peltata has the largest distribution, including eastern and western Australia, New Zealand, India, and um, South East Asia, including Philippines. And the seed-shaped, the seed sundew epithet originates its origin is it's the corline leaves, means upper stem leaves, with probably origin of its common epithet, the silt, silt sundew. And the plant is carnivorous, which grow up to the 9 to 32 centimeter, and the basal leaves densely whorled. But in other species, like another species found in India, the Drosera brahmani, but this species where I'm in which I'm giving information presently is the Drosera peltata is a very thin or weak plant, but perennial, and looks herbaceous, 9 to 30 centimeter long, and its basal leaves are densely, not looks much, but in Drosera brahmani, leaves are larger in size and have a vigorous size. But in case in this species, means pale sundew, the upper leaves are imposant, which probably gives idea its origin of its common name, means seed sundew. And Drosera is the largest genre with more than 194 species, and two species are very popular in India: the Burmani and another is the peltata. And peltata, Drosera peltata, you are seeing this species in this video, is the perennial species, 9 to 30 centimeter, and its upper leaves bears tentacles which trap the insects by their mechanism, trapping mechanism, and the carnivore is believed to evolve independently, but the first tree tries to recognize the carnivore in plants. In 1875, Charles Darwin, you know the Charles Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist, widely known for his contributions to the evolutionary biology, and he traveled throughout the sea, different in different continent, and gives idea about the variations in species, and the theory of natural selection is very important, and he grow plants in the glass house, and see the results of evolution, how the carnivore plants evolved, and true carnivore is believed to evolve independently at least 12 times in 5 different orders of the flowering plants, and represented by more than a dozen genera. And this classification includes at least 583 species that attract, trap, and kill prey, and absorbing their resulting nutrients. And the examples of this of the key traits of these carnivorous plants are the pitcher plants. You must know the trap leaf, where the leaves trap insects, and leaves are so safe, especially pitcher insects, and they trap insects, and even small mammals inside, and by their glossy, they secrete some glossy substance, and animals or insect slipped inside the pitcher. This is a special type of trapping mechanism in this species. And other species, the bladder and bladder trap for sucking the prey, and they have sticky mesolas, and they contain the digestive enzymes. So insect, they suck and trap the insects, and in presently researchers are using the genome sequencing technology to examine the different types of carnivorous species, and relationship with them, and there is a paucity of fossils regarding to the carnivore, but genome sequencing technology is more popular, and they capture simply the carnivorous capture their prey in the traps and kill the captured prey. Some develops tentacles, as in this is Drosera leaves develop many tentacles, and they trap insects inside the tentacles, and other species, pitcher plants, nepenthes, the very especially in the Cassia Hills, this species, where this is become very rare and threatened these days due to very encroachment and shifting cultivation and many threats. This is declining in their natural habitat. and other the bladder trap sucking insectivorous plants, and they absorb nutrients from the killed prey, and especially or a digested prey, and simply the insectivorous or carnivorous plants uh, are so interesting. They are in different shape, and they develop different types of the trapping mechanism. This is all about the carnivorous plants, and I hope you might understand. इन हिंदी कीटाहारी जंतुओं की भांति जो है कुछ पौधे भी कीटाहारी होते हैं. कुछ तो एनिमल्स होते हैं, मोस्टली दे eat other small animals like fish and other, you must know, lizards and snakes. They eat small animals, but here the plants, इसी तरह से कुछ पौधे भी ऐसे होते हैं जो कि कीड़ों को खाते हैं. यहाँ तक कि छोटे मैमल्स भी वो को ट्रैप कर जाते हैं. और पिचर प्लांट्स जैसे बड़े बड़े जो होते हैं इंसेक्टिपोरल प्लांट्स, वो इस तरह से वो कुछ पौधों कीटाहारी पौधे जो मांसाहारी, उन्हें जो है मांसाहारी पादप भी कह सकते हैं. तो कीटाहारी पौधों की कुल जो है 400 के करीब जातियां पाई जाती हैं, जिनमें से प्राय 30 जातियां भारत में पाई जाती हैं. और ये पौधे ऐसे स्थान पर उगते हैं जहाँ नाइट्रेट्स का अभाव होता है, अथवा वे जमीन के नाइट्रोजन के उपयोग करने में जो या उपयोग में लाने में जो है असमर्थ होते हैं. इसलिए जीवन के लिए वो आप तो जानते हैं कि प्रोटीन बहुत ही आवश्यक है इस मनुष्य के लिए भी और प्लांट्स के लिए भी. तो जिससे कि काफ़ी अमीनो में एसिड्स और उन का डेवलपमेंट होता है. तो इसलिए इसे प्राप्त करने के लिए पौधों को जो है नाइट्रोजन मिलना चाहिए. और नाइट्रोजन के लिए ये पौधे जो अपने निकट आने वाले, जो भी पौधों के आसपास निकट आने वाले कीड़े या कोई भी छोटे एनिमल्स होते हैं, प्रोटोजोन्स या स्मॉल मैमल्स, उसका वो भक्षण करते हैं. ऐसे कुछ पौधे हैं जैसे मखाजाली, जैसे ड्रोसेरा के पेल्टेटा के बारे में आप इस वीडियो में देख रहे हैं कि ये जो स्पीसीज ड्रोसेरा पेल्टेटा ये हिली रीजन में मिलती है. इसमें कैसे उसमें टेंटिकल्स लीव्स में डेवलप होते हैं, तो इसको मखाजाली कहते हैं हिंदी में. दूसरा ब्लेडर वॉल्ट होता है, एकदम से ब्लेडर जैसा, उसमें एनिमल्स को ट्रैप कर जाता है और फिर सक करता है, उसको किल करता है और फिर वो उसको उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेता है. और दूसरा होता है सुंदरी का पिंजरा. और इसी तरह से एक और इंसेक्ट जो बहुत ही एक कार्निवोरस प्लांट है, घटपर्णी, जिसको बोलते हैं पिचर प्लांट्स. ये खासकर ईस्टर्न हिमालय में शिलोंग हिल्स में मिलता है. तो आपने इसके बारे में जाना होगा. और ये जो है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्लांट होते हैं देखने में भी, और इनका इम्पोर्टेंस है. और डार्विन ने भी इसके ऊपर शोध किया, और पहले उन्होंने जो है पब्लिश किया है ट्रीटाइज वगैरह इस कार्निवोरस प्लांट्स के ऊपर. और तो ये इनका नेचर में रोल है, और इनको भी जो है प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है. लेकिन लोग जो है अनजाने में इनको उखाड़ के फेंक देते हैं. लेकिन अब जो है नेचुरलिस्ट और या बॉटनिस्ट लोग जो है इनके बारे में भी जो है जानकारी को जो है डॉक्यूमेंट करते हैं. धन्यवाद जी. प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस वीडियो.